This how to 1 minute will show you how to set as homepage any page in WordPress website. To change your WordPress website homepage, follow these easy steps. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to the left-hand menu. Hover over on settings and click on reading. Your homepage display. Select here a static page. Now click on this home page drop down and now select the page that you want to set as home page. So I'm selecting here projects and click on save changes. And now I'm going to reloading my website. And as you can see, my website homepage has been changed. Now I'm going to selecting the contact page as home page. Save. Reloading my website. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.